Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Hotspot turned on and the app has permission to modify system UI. Open settings and enable mobile hotspot. Once done, grant the app change system settings or notification access so it can add an icon. Make sure your carrier plan allows tethering and note any data limits because the icon reflects active sharing. Next, install or open the utility that places status icons. This is the first actionable step to let the OS accept a custom hotspot. Once the app has permissions, configure where the icon appears. Open System UI Tuner or your status bar manager and pick the hotspot icon style. Choose color, size, and visibility rules so it won't overlap other icons. Next, set conditions. Show only when tethering active or always visible for quick toggling. Apply changes and then toggle mobile hotspot on and off to verify state transitions. If the icon doesn't show, recheck permissions and restart the system UI process to force a refresh. To finalize, save settings and restart system UI or reboot your device so the status bar updates reliably. Confirm the hotspot icon appears only when you share data and test with a client device connected. If the icon still fails to appear, recheck modify system settings and notification access for the managing app, then disable battery optimization for that app. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache and restart the phone. That often resolves permission caching or system UI glitches without further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.